Ooh, mine. What's up, YouTube? This is what we're gonna do. I um I decided to get a YouTube. I don't know how shit goes. I just know that they talk like this, and it gets me hyped, and I want to watch the rest of their video. All right, so I'm just gonna start a vlog. I'm gonna keep it short. We're not gonna do those 10-minute videos. We're gonna do unboxings. We're gonna do what are they doing YouTube? Huh, Gucci? What are they doing YouTube? I don't know. I'm gonna learn along the way. I'm not gonna give up. I know I'm not gonna have 500 subscribers in 2 days, but I don't know. I got something in the mail today, and I figured I'd open a package with you guys. So if you like me, subscribe, hit that like, whatever they say. You know what I mean? I guess I'll learn. But I ordered something from Supreme last Thursday, and I was kind of hoping, well, what week is it? It's week 4, I think. Public Enemy drop. So I was actually hoping that I get that box logo sticker. Just wanted the sticker. I'm not even a sticker person, but I think that sticker's dope. It'd be nice to have in my drawer. Keep in my drawer. Collect dust. Never give it away. I didn't really like the drop. Nothing dope came out. I got a shirt. I got the White House shirt. And I hope I got that poster. You seen the poster on Drops by Jay. What is it? What else? Supreme Leaks News. All them Instagrams. So I hope that I got the poster or at least the sticker. I don't have the poppy seeds. I think that's kind of stupid. But I had to actually had the poppy seeds. I had to sell them with the last item that I got 2 weeks ago. They didn't want to buy without the seeds, so they're fucking seeds. Anyways, let's open this up. All right, so you guys know I'm not a hype beast. I'm not gonna be opening 20 things every week. I usually cop every week, I don't know. I've been doing this whole copping online shit for maybe 4 years now. I don't know. I've always been into buying and selling stuff, but the Supreme stuff, I started getting into that 2 years ago. I just started to learn the gist of things. That's the word. But yeah, that's not what I'm really gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be posting random shit. I don't know, but a lot of cool shit though. You're gonna like it. If you like Supreme shit, you're gonna like this. You know what I mean? You know what? I'm gonna blank these curses out. I shouldn't be cursing. All right, so we got this. I'm gonna blur this out. I hope I know how to do that. Now I'm gonna learn. Okay, just a shirt, nothing crazy. I usually buy like 2 things a week. Ooh, I got everything. I got the poster. Oh shit. Oh snap. Got the poster. It's a little wrinkled. I got you know what though? Like I said about the seeds, they're seeds. A poster. I'm not a poster person. What I'm gonna do with a poster? Look, if you look, it doesn't fit, But I'm not gonna be giving it away. I'm not even a fan. Listen, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not even a fan of Public Enemy. I like what they talk about. I like their message, but I don't like Chuck D's style. I don't like Flavor Flav's. I don't. Listen. Got my sticker. I'll open this. I'm not gonna be selling this, so I'm gonna open it. Ooh, I got my sticker. That's crazy. That's already. Oh man, that's dope. Fear of a Black Planet. It's dope. It's a little raised too. Yeah, I know there's gonna be some kids watching this video, so a lot of kids I know don't know how to buy Supreme or can't afford it, can't afford the resale, can't or go to school and they're not allowed, they can't cop, So I know you guys like watch videos, check out videos that, someday that, stuff that someday you may be able to cop. So it's cool watching videos. I like watching videos. See, that's one reason why I'm starting this is because I like watching videos of stuff that I might be able to get or might not, or something that I have coming in the mail. I like to look at it. For some reason, I like to look at stuff like that I know I'm getting or someday I will get, So this is another reason why I'm doing this. So, Fear of Black Planet, you gotta know a little bit about Public Enemy if you copying this. Like, it can't be just nice, because one thing is that people like to approach you and be like, oh yeah, I love that group. Oh, so you gotta know something. Chuck D shirt. Let me open this. This is dope. I like this. I didn't know it says Undercover on the tag. That's dope. Rip this. Nice. A lot nicer in person. Supreme Undercover on the tag. I'm looking in the mirror, so I'm kind of looking at myself a few times. It's nice. On the back. It's nice. I'll whip this out someday during the summer. I don't know. Whatever. I like my sticker. I like the sticker. Alright, I don't know. That's it. That's all I got for you. So, stay tuned for more videos. I'm out.